One of the things that I used to like to do a lot was go on boat trips. And I had this little boat, and it was really a good size for 2 people. So that 2 people could fit comfortably with lots and lots of room. See, there's space for one person and space for the other. But on this boat, I had 3 other friends, and so the 4 of us would often get on the boat, and it would make it pretty full. So we would try to divide the space up so that each of us had an even amount of space. So instead of having 2 people with lots of room, what we really had was 4 people with each a little bit of room. And so it was kind of crowded. So we had a storage compartment on our boat that was shaped a bit like this. And you could open the lid, and inside the storage compartment was where we kept our life vests. And so if we had 4 people on the boat, we put a life vest in each corner of our storage compartment. So we had one life vest here. And then we had another life vest here. Make sure you get all layers of your paper. You should have 3 layers of paper, really. So we had another life vest that was stored here. And then on the other side, we had life vests too. So we had a life vest here. And here. And so when me and my 3 other friends, all 4 of us, were traveling, we would open that storage compartment, and we'd get our life jackets out, and we were ready to go. And so this is actually, if you fold this part down, this is actually what my boat looked like. It was a pretty nice boat, really a good boat to go out on the water in. But the problem was, one day when we were out on the boat, right exactly in the middle of our boat, on the top edge, I'm going to find the middle by just kind of folding it in half and not really doing a crease across the whole thing, but just a little tiny crease right there. There's the middle of our boat. Right in the middle of our boat, there was a problem. It started to crack right in the middle of our boat. And so luckily we had our life vests on, because what started to happen was the edges of the boat started to bend down. So this edge was bending down, and this edge started to bend down. And then even on the other side, if you flip it over, the same thing was happening there. All the edges were just bending down. And what happens when you get a crack in your boat like that sometimes is that the boat starts to open up a little bit wider, and then it just bends right in half. And then pretty soon, if you're not careful, you find yourself swimming with the ducks. So now you have yourself a little puppet. And if you decorate it, then you can make it look like some kind of a creature. You might have teeth and eyes and everything. So take your little puppet and make it look like something.